Yo, what up guys, it's Nova's Unboxings here. Back at it again with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Logitech mouse and keyboard combo. So let's get started. Okay. Alright. There it is. There's the keyboard, guys. Okay, it's pretty good. It's pretty durable. Okay, let's get that out of the way now. Let's check out the mouse now. Let's check out the mouse. Pretty good mouse. Get that out of here now. And there's the USB device. Okay, so there it is. Okay. Just leave that there. That's all there is. Guys, remember to drop a like, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.